Hi everyone, my name is Suyash Gautam and I am currently working as a backend developer. I was always fascinated by Swiggy and Zomato, and so I decided to create a food ordering app and came up with Alimento. In this video, I will be giving you an overview of what all features Alimento provides. But first, let me explain the tech stack that has been used for creating this food ordering app. On the backend side, I'm using NodeJS, ExpressJS, and for database, I'm using MySQL database. For front end, I have used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I have not used any framework for front end. Now that I have explained the tech stack, let's move to the project. This is the home page a user will see. You can see the name Alimento and a search box. I will get to this search box and its functionalities later in the video. Below this, we have a slider which shows some of the restaurant. If I click here, it will show some more restaurant. So any restaurant which does not have an image, we are showing this particular image. So if we scroll a little down, we can see currently serving in following cities. So if I click on Lucknow, I will see all the restaurants that are currently serving in Lucknow. And if I go back and click on Delhi, I will see all the restaurants that are currently serving in Delhi. If I scroll a little down, you can see all the dishes here. And if I click on suppose Domino's and all dishes, I will see here all the dishes that are delivered by Domino's. And let's take another example and click on Sagar Ratna, and you will see all the dishes that are delivered by Sagar Ratna. So if I want to go back to the previous layout, I just have to click all dish and we have the initial layout. Now suppose a user is not logged in and he tries to add a dish to the cart and clicks add to cart. So you will get this alert message which says please log in as a customer. So Alimento allows two types of users, customer and restaurant. You can order food only using a customer account but not using the restaurant account. So that's why it will ask you to log in as a customer. I will show you how to place an order in the next video. So don't forget to follow me on LinkedIn and subscribe to my channel. So if I click on OK, it will open up the customer login page. Right now I'm not gonna log in as a customer, so we'll go back to home. Now let me show you what all you can do with this search box. A user can use the search box in two ways: either search for a restaurant in a city or to search for a restaurant that can deliver a particular dish in a city. I will show you both the scenarios. In the first scenario, we will search for a dish, for example kadhai paneer. If I click here, I will see a page showing me all the restaurants that can deliver me kadhai paneer in Lucknow, since we set the city as Lucknow. If we click on Sagar Ratna, it will open up a restaurant page which will give me all the general information about the restaurant, like the cuisines that the restaurant serves. There is an add review section. We will get back to this later. The overview section shows us what all safety measures the restaurant is taking, the timings, what people have to say, and the average cost. Also you can see the location of the restaurant in the map. Now if I click on order, it will show me the whole menu of the restaurant along with the ratings which the user have provided for the dishes. If I click on add to cart, it will again ask me to log in as a customer. If I click on reviews, I can see the review provided by other users. So let's move back to the search bar again. Now let me show you the second scenario where I will be searching for a restaurant. Let's say Domino's. So as you can see, we get a drop down which shows us the restaurant name that matches our criteria in that city. If I would have changed this to, let's say, Delhi, and then search, I won't get that drop down. So I have to be in the city and the restaurant should be there. So if I click here, again it will open up the restaurant page for me, and if I click on add to cart, it will give me an alert message to log in as a customer. If I click on OK, it will open up the customer login page. Now that we have seen the home page and all the other features, let me show you customer and restaurant profiles, where you will see what functionalities are provided to each type of user. So if I click on login, you can see two types of user login are there, customer login and restaurant login. Let me click on customer login. So I will quickly enter my details here. So now the login / sign up buttons will be changed to the cart and a drop down. So if I click on my name, it will give me a drop down, and if I click on dashboard, it will take me to this section. So here you can see we have profile, cart, previous orders, change password, and logout. So in the profile section, you cannot update the email ID, you can update other fields. So if I change Lucknow to Delhi and change this to suppose 52 and click on update, then my profile has been updated. This Lucknow has been changed to Delhi and 49 has been changed to 52. So let's move to cart. So in the cart, currently I have one item here, and if I scroll down, you have address field and you have this map. And yeah, regarding this cart and orders, you will get a more insight in the next video, so stay tuned for that. If I click on the previous orders, you will see two sections, an active order section and a past order section. So if I click on one of the order, it will show me the status. Currently it is in confirmation state, and it will show me what I have ordered, the total amount, the date and time of the order, and the tracking of your order will be shown in the next video. And if I check any previous order, so it will show up till delivered because this order was delivered, and in case of cancelled, it will just show cancelled. If I click on change password, I will have to put my old password here and the new password and confirm new password. And if I click update, the password has been updated, and then I can click on log out and the user will be logged out. Now let's move to restaurant profile. So let me just log in as a restaurant now, and so for restaurant we are not providing any cart, since I said earlier that restaurant cannot order food, so they will have this drop down only. So if I go to dashboard, now we have profiles, all dishes, add dish, all orders, change password, and then log out. So profile section, here we have a little change. So the restaurant can basically change the marker of the current location. So we saw earlier the restaurant page shows a marker of their location, so that they can change. So if I change it to here and click on update, the marker has been changed, and similarly other details can also be changed. And if I click on all dishes, I can see all the dishes here. and I can update accordingly. So suppose let's just add a new dish here. So let's name it mixed veg, cost 300, preference veg, and image, let's just take this image, and I will click on add dish. So dish is successfully added to the menu. If I click on all dish, I will see mixed veg here. So suppose I want to update this price here. So if I click on update and update the price to 310 and click on update, so that price has been updated here. And if I want to delete this particular dish, I will just click on delete, and the dish has been deleted from my menu. Now if I move to all orders, here you will see all the orders. Currently we don't have any active order, so if you click here, this is a completed order. And also regarding this, you will see in the next video how restaurant manages all the orders, and you will see what all phases are there. And the change password works the same way as what we are doing in customer login. And then there is logout. So now you must be wondering what will happen if a user forgets his or her password. So Alimento have you covered there. So if you click on forgot password and you enter the email ID and the type of user you are, so I am a customer, so they will send me a login link here, which I will show you just now. So let me just show you here. So if I click on this link, I'll be asked to enter the password, a new password. So this link is valid only for 15 minutes and you can use this link only once. And if I enter the new password, and click change password, it will successfully change. So now I can go back to home and I can just log in using the previous credentials. So this was the overview of all the features that Alimento provides. I hope you liked the video. Please share your valuable comments, suggestions in the comment section. Also, you can connect with me on LinkedIn, where you will get the latest update regarding my next video. I have provided the links in the description below. Please stay tuned for the next video, where you will see the complete experience of ordering food from Alimento. Thank you.